Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Idnani Wardani Tunaslam. I am from class 4A TBI. My student number is 2407012. Today, I want to talk about something that we touch, use, and throw away every single day. Plastic. It's a material that is so common that we often forget how dangerous it can be. We know it's practical, but have you ever really stopped to think about where a plastic bottle goes after it leaves your hand? In this video, I will review two important videos that show us the long and scary journey of plastic. From the moment it was invented until it becomes a global pollution crisis. Let us start with a quick summary. The first video, title is Plastic Pollution, explains that plastic was once seen as a magical material because it's cheap and durable, but now it has become a nightmare because it's everywhere, in the air, the soil, and even our bodies. The second video, What Really Happened to the Plastic You Throw Away, tells a more personal story. It follows three different plastic bottles and shows us three possible endings. One bottle ends up in a landfill, one ends up in the oceans, and only one is lucky enough to be recycled. Both videos agree on one big idea. Our planet is drowning in plastic, and we need to change how we live right now. Let us talk about the fact. And some of those are truly shocking. Did you know that a single plastic bottle can take up to 1,000 years to decompose? That means if someone 500 years ago used a plastic bottle, it will still be here today. Another sad fact is that only 9% of all plastic waste is actually recycled. Most of is about 8 million tons every year ends up in our oceans. By the year 2050, scientists predict there will be more plastic in the sea than fish. Also, there are about 51 trillion tiny pieces of microplastic floating in the water. These facts show that we are not just making a mess, we are destroying the ecosystem that gives us food and water. Looking at how these videos are made, they use different styles to send their message. The first video uses problem-solution structure. It talks about the history, the big numbers, and global policies. On the other hand, the second video uses a cause-effect structure. It feels more emotional because it follows the life of the bottles. It shows us the direct effect of our choice. For me, the second video is more powerful because it makes us feel responsible for the trust we create. It shows that even one bottle matters. Now, let us look at some what-if questions from my analysis. First, what if John Wesley had never invented celluloid in 1863? If celluloid was never invented, humans might still use natural materials like wood or metal. This would be better for the environment because there would be no plastic waste for hundreds of years. But modern things would be very expensive. Second, what if all three bottles from the second video ended up being recycled? If that happened, no toxic chemicals will leak into our soil and water. The oceans will be cleaner, animals will be safe, and we would save a lot of energy by reusing all plastic. It shows that our choices can truly change the world. After watching both videos, my perspective has changed. I used to think that throwing one bottle in the wrong place was okay. But now, I can stay there for 10 lifetimes. I learned that plastic toxin can even end up in the fish I eat. So the pollution eventually comes back to me. It's a scary cycle. So my personal commitment is this. I will start bringing my own reusable bottle everywhere and remind my family to recycle. We can fix everything in one day, but small change really do matter if we do them together. Thank you so much for watching my critical review. I hope this information helps you understand the plastic crisis a bit better. Let us be part of the solution, not the pollution. Don't forget to care about our earth. See you in the next project and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.